Hi everyone. Here's a quick video to show you how to archive classes from Google Classroom. It's always a best practice to archive classes that you are no longer using. Um, this is also good to provide you with a clean slate each time you start the academic year. So let's see. I am on the homepage now of Google Classroom. And what I need to do to archive a class is to select the class that I no longer need. Okay. Click on the three dots there, and you will see that there is an option to archive the class. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And there will be a confirmation message, and I'll click archive again. So you will notice that that class has now disappeared from my Google Classroom homepage. That means I cannot use anything from that archived class. Now, in the event that you want to retrieve something or use something from that archived class, then it's very easy to restore the class so that you can use the material that you want to use. So how do I restore an archived class? So now, still on the homepage of Google Classroom, I need to go to the three lines here in the corner. Um, Scroll down to the very bottom until you find archived classes. There you go. And once you click on that one, all your archived classes would appear on your page. So this was the class that we archived earlier, and I want to restore this now. I want to use something from this class. So all I need to do, again, from those three dots, select restore. Again, a confirmation message, restore. And there you go. As you can see from my archived classes, that class has disappeared already. So let's go back to the home page of Google Classroom. And there you go. You can see it's an active class again, which means I can use the materials that are in that classroom. Okay.